Welcome to session 6 on our mini course on how to upskill your trading ability. This is the final session, so to get the most value out of this one, I'd really suggest doing sessions 1 to 5 first. They're only a few minutes each with a couple of exercises in each one, so you can get through them pretty quickly. If you have done them and answered your yes or no questions honestly, how did you go? How are you feeling? Have you started to think more about how you think as a trader? I hope so. If it's tested you somewhat, that's a good thing. This final session is designed to do the same. We'll look at your answers from session 1 to 5 and see where you're at. So make sure you've got them in front of you before continuing on. Okay, well here it is, and it may be brutal. But remember, there's no need for fear, just accepting the information that's presented to you for what it is, just like in the market. So the simple conclusion to all your answers that were presented in the book Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas is this. The degree to which you agreed or answered yes to all the content presented over the last 5 sessions, again all from chapter 1 of Trading in the Zone, is the degree to which you have the chance of making it to the top 10% of traders who go on to become and remain unflappable, confident, consistent, objective, peaceful, and profitable for the rest of their trading lives. Conversely, the degree to which you answered no or disagreed with the content of chapter 1 is the degree to which your trading will continue to remain in a state of flustered, conflict, stop-start, inconsistent execution, emotional discomfort, and haphazard random results. As I said, that may be brutal if you answered no or disagreed a lot, but remember, Mark Douglas is considered one of the world's leading trading psychologists and has helped thousands of traders achieve success in the market, so he knows his stuff. If none of it made sense to you as to why we're asking these questions at all, then it's the same as answering no or disagreeing. And that's totally okay. You may not have even considered it before. Most traders don't realize the importance of mindset when they first start off, and many experienced traders don't realize that it's potentially the one thing that's holding them back. The great thing is that when it starts making sense to you, you have a chance of starting a journey to become an unflappable, peaceful, and consistent trader who consistently outperforms the total return indices by a wide margin over the long term for only a few minutes a week of time and effort. Okay, so exercise time. How did listening to me saying those opening words of session 6 make you feel? To what degree do you agree with them? On a scale of 1 to 5, with 1 being in complete disagreement. Understand that according to Trading in the Zone, the degree to which you disagree in your answer to number 2 is the degree to which your current beliefs are dysfunctional with respect to becoming the best trader that you can be. Don't shoot the messenger, I'm only conveying what's in Trading in the Zone. If while listening you found thoughts popping into your head disputing the words I've just said, understand that these are your current trading beliefs defending themselves for you to not de-energize, discard, or replace them. Again, harsh I know, but Mark Douglas tells us on page 15 and 16, many of the new ways in which you will learn to express yourself will be in direct conflict with ideas and beliefs that you presently hold about the nature of trading. You may or may not already be aware of some of these beliefs. In any case, what you currently hold to be true about the nature of trading will argue to keep these things just the way that they are, in spite of your frustrations and unsatisfying results. These internal arguments are natural. My challenge in this book is to help you resolve these arguments as efficiently as possible. Your willingness to consider that other possibilities exist, possibilities that you may not be aware of or may not have given enough consideration to, will obviously make the learning process faster and easier. Exercise. Collate and organise all of what you wrote down in these 6 sessions. You'll probably find that a lot of them are baseless emotional statements of disagreement with no evidence to substantiate them. However, if any of the thoughts are followed by because, capture the reasons. They're the ones you'll work on going forward. Where you agreed with the statements, what you wrote down will form part of what you already have in your arsenal to transform your unconscious mind to. Everything that you wrote down in disagreement with the statements constitutes some of your own dysfunctional beliefs with respect to trading. These are the beliefs that you have to de-energize or let go of to truly become an unflappable, skilled trader. Mark states on page 15, when you have acquired a trader's mindset and can remain confident in the face of constant uncertainty, trading will be as easy and simple as you probably thought it was when you first started out. So what is the solution? You'll need to learn how to adjust your attitudes and beliefs about trading in such a way that you can trade without the slightest bit of fear, but at the same time, keep a framework in place that doesn't allow you to become reckless. While being in agreement with the words in chapter 1 of Mark's book is great, it unfortunately doesn't automatically mean that you've already attained all of the required mental skills. but it does mean that you have the knowledge and awareness of how you need to think. The next step is to further reshape and ingrain how you need to think at a subconscious level when you execute trades, so that you can execute them properly without hesitation. The only way to do that is to step into a complete and intentional and specifically designed skills training process, comprising of a series of real-life experiences specifically targeted to acquiring all the mental skills that Mark covers in detail in Trading in the Zone. This skills training process is a learning system for traders, which is the culmination of Gary Stone's long mentorship with Mark Douglas, combined with his own trading and coaching experiences over the last quarter of a century. Most unskilled traders don't believe that the solution to their negative feelings before and after placing trades is changing how their mindset works. That is, their mental attitudes with regards to trading. Nearly all unskilled traders and plenty of skilled traders continue trying to solve their trading problems with analysis of the market and analysis of the stock price or company information. If you want to further upskill your trading ability, step into a learning and skills acquisition process with Sharewell Systems by signing up to the Unflappable Trader. The Unflappable Trader is a one-stop shop trading solution for all traders, from beginner to experience, to be trained, transformed and supported to skillfully, profitably and peacefully manage their own money in the US or the ASX stock markets. The 4-week process and mindset training intensive is part of the Unflappable Trader. This training intensive is like nothing else you've ever done or ever will do. We're confident that this is the best training you'll ever find anywhere in the world to become a consistently profitable, unflappable, peaceful and profitable trader. How you currently trade will be unrecognizable compared to how you'll trade after completing the training intensive. Bold words, I know. The training intensive is about making you a superior trader, a superior version of your trading self. Because even if you became a superior analysis or trading system developer, unless you also become a superior trader, you'll never reap the benefits of your superior analytical or system development skills. This training is not about providing a new secret indicator or technical analysis technique. It has nothing to do with teaching you how to become a better analyst or how to develop a trading system. It's a mindset makeover for active investors in the stock market who are ready to retrain their brain to reach peak mental fitness, so that they can execute their portfolio peacefully through all market conditions to achieve superior returns that outpace the market over the long term. The Unflappable Trader includes everything you need to become and remain an unflappable and skilled trader. It includes our complete technical analysis tool Beyond Charts and our portfolio manager, as well as our alerts app to send you clear buy and sell signals each night on the ASX and US markets, depending on your preference as to which market you like to trade. You'll also gain immediate access to the outcomes of thousands of hours of stock process research through our SPA3 Investor mechanical system, without having to spend a single minute researching and developing a system yourself. The Unflappable Trader is ongoing for as long as you have an active membership, covering unlimited phone and email support, system upgrades, daily data, ongoing training and the software itself as shown below. If you do choose to come on board as a member, you'd be starting an intentional and specifically designed journey to forever redefine and reframe how you think with respect to trading and investing. What we've covered in these short sessions is just the tip of the iceberg. With that said, I really do hope you've enjoyed the 6-part mini course on how to upskill yourself as a trader. And if you're not already a member of Sharewell Systems, we'd love to be of service to you. You're welcome to call and speak with me directly if you have any questions after this. In the meantime, I wish you consistent, objective, and peaceful investing. Thanks again, and bye for now.